Let's talk about putting in headings. So here is our placeholder text, paragraphs 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to put a heading at the top, so I'm going to take my cursor and put it here. Now you see the flashing cursor. I'm going to hit enter twice. Now I can either use the up arrow and go back, or I can use the mouse and just click there. So I want to put in a heading. We're going to call this Google Doc tutorial. And I want a subheading, so I'm going to enter once and type in introduction. Okay, I don't want that. But this looks just like the text. We really want to differentiate this from the rest of the text. So if you look here in our toolbar here, we have a lot of options to choose from. So the first thing we want to do is highlight this. You can either click and drag and highlight it, or like we discussed before, you can triple click and it'll highlight the whole thing. To change the heading, you want to come up here to this. It just says normal text. So we're going to click the down caret and we want to click title. There. Now we have changed that to title. But I also want to change the word introduction because I want it different from the normal paragraphs. So again, we're going to come here. We don't want to pick title because we already did. So let's choose heading 2 or even subtitle, either one. And there we go. Now we have our main title and we have our subtitle. Let's add in one more subtitle. Come down here to paragraph 2. Put your cursor right above it. And let's write another subheading. You can be creative here if you like. I'm just going to type in the first 3 words of the paragraph. But now we still need to make it different. We need to differentiate it from the rest of the paragraph, that this is a heading. So we're going to highlight it. Either click and drag, or right, you can triple click. We need to choose a different heading. So do you remember the steps? Come up here to text and then choose one of these. I already chose subtitle, so let's do heading 3, but you can choose a different one if you like. It's very close to introduction, but that's okay. And there we have our headings. Feel free to take a couple minutes and play around with the different heading types to see which one you like better. Just have fun with it.